In the last steps, we exposed this personal contact form to the general public. The consequence of doing this is that once this site gets published, eventually this form is going to be spammed. Any form that can be submitted on a public site is going to be a prime target for a lot of spam, no matter how big the site is. Now what we're going to do is talk through several different options to controlling spam, or ideally preventing it altogether. Throughout this process, we'll end up submitting several forms, and some of them, like this one, will end up sending out emails based on the contents of the form. When you're developing a site though, you rarely want emails to go out from it. So what we're going to do is install a module called Maillog that will allow us to prevent emails from being sent out, but will allow us to review the content of those emails. So I'm going to do a search for Maillog Drupal, and I'll go to the top link here, project/Maillog. And if we scroll down, there's only a development release of the Drupal 8 version of this module. Now again, the downside of using a development release is that it will change over time. So the development release that we download today might be different than the one that we download tomorrow. But this module is a developer module. It's meant to be used during the development of the site and then turned off when the site goes public. So for us, it's not going to be absolutely critical that it works perfectly, although in my testing it seems to work fine. So let's install this. I'm going to copy the address, and we'll go to Extend and Install New Module, paste in the address and click Install. Let's enable it, and let's check this and click Install.